Dualidad is a mural-type pictorial work by the Mexican painter Rufino Tamayo. This piece was created in 1964 and was used in the lobby of the James Torres Bode Auditorium of the National Museum of Anthropology. The mural has two large representations of pre-Hispanic deities. The first section is represented by the god Quetzalcoatl. He is depicted through the figure of the feathered serpent accompanied by the sun, as part of his attributes of ruling the day. He is confronted by the figure of Tezcatlipoca, represented by the jaguar and accompanied by the night and the moon. Both deities refer to confrontation and a display of ferocity. The painting is divided into two opposite parts. It consists of the cosmic struggle of good and evil, day and night, the serpent versus the jaguar. The duality is the struggle of opposites, symbolically and chromatically. On one side, the sun is rising, and on the other, the moon is falling. There's presence of the warm red on the side with the serpent versus the cool blue on the side of the jaguar. It is visually balanced and symmetrical, with each side having warm and cool colors. The focal point is the center of the painting, where the serpent and the jaguar are confronting each other. It draws the eye into the conflict. The color palette used by Tamayo in this work contains vivid colors, balancing complementary colors across the entire surface. Orange for the jaguar and cobalt blue background, green for the snake, with an orange background mixed with a Mexican rose color typically used by Tamayo, which is found in most of his works. This mural resonates with Tamayo's approach to Mexico's pre-Hispanic heritage. He is deeply bound to indigenous culture, yet his work is never narrative or ethnographic. The mural leaves us with a feeling of aggression and tension, but also harmony and balance. He was very proud of his Mexican heritage and his culture, and he strived to put that in all of his artwork.